In this class, I can show you how to create the perfect heart with doing free motion writing. Now, the free motion writing can be applied to cushions, aprons, anything you want to use as a personalised gift really. And with Christmas coming up, what a great time to make some gifts with personalisation. So in the pack that you get sent, everything is included, all cut out, ready for you for the class. The only thing that's not included is the stuffing. Now, I would send you an email that would have lots of different fabric choices and the ribbons so you can create your Christmas theme whichever colour you so wish. And once you make one heart, you can go on to make more hearts. I have another one here, there we go. So you can make bunting and you can stitch them all together. And I mean, it's a lovely gift for any young couple would love it. So you may think, oh, this is just a simple heart to make, but there are little tips and tricks along the way that I will show you to create that perfect shape. So if you'd like to join me on this workshop, please go to my October classes and you can book one of those, and hopefully I'll see you at one of the classes with a mulled wine.